In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate your custom background track on Suno AI and use it properly in your videos. If you want original background music for your content without spending hours searching through music libraries, Suno AI can be a very practical option. It lets you create a track using simple text prompts, which means you can describe the mood, style, or energy you want, and the platform will generate music to match. When writing your prompt, try to be clear and specific. For example, you can describe whether you want something calm, upbeat, cinematic, ambient, or modern. The more precise your wording is, the better your chances of getting a track that fits your video naturally. Take a moment to listen carefully to the result and make sure the music supports your content rather than distracting from it. Before you publish anything, there is one important thing to keep in mind. If you are creating monetized YouTube videos, you should upgrade to a paid Suno plan. This is important because it helps ensure you have the appropriate commercial license ownership for the music you're using. In other words, if your content is earning revenue, you want to make sure your background track is covered properly so you can use it with more confidence. This step is less about creativity and more about protecting your content and staying compliant with licensing requirements. Once your track is ready and you're satisfied with how it sounds, go ahead and download the audio file. Typically, you'll want to save it as an MP3 or WAV file. MP3 is usually convenient and lightweight, while WAV can be a better choice if you want higher audio quality during editing. Either option can work well, so choose the format that best fits your workflow and your editing software. After downloading the file, import it into your video editing app. This could be Premiere, CapCut, or DaVinci Resolve, depending on what you use. Once the track is on your timeline, the key step is adjusting the volume so it sits properly under your voiceover. Lower the music to around -20 decibels to -25 decibels. This range usually keeps the background track present and professional without overpowering your spoken audio. The goal is for viewers to feel the music, not struggle to hear your voice. Take a final listen to the full sequence before exporting. If the voice remains clear, and the music adds atmosphere without becoming distracting, then you've got a solid result ready for your video.